day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with a Huawei Band 7, and we are here to answer some of the questions that smartwatch fans, are asking. And this time, it's all about watch faces and a music control. Okay, some are complaining that they can't upload or they can't download a watch face for their Huawei Band 7. It is not existing in the support app. Okay? So we are going to address that. Okay? So before we start, if you have any questions, suggestions, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Please like, share, and subscribe also. So we have here our Huawei Band 7 and we have the support app. Okay? To change the watch face for the wearable, okay, all you need to do is just go to your device, and as you can see here, we have the Huawei Band 7. Usually, if everything is okay, there's no issues with the installation, you can see the watch face section here. But as you can see here, it is not, okay, present. Okay, there's no watch face section. Even if you tap on the wearable here, you will not find any watch face, okay, or dial settings. Okay, do you see it here? So it is not available. That is because the region that you, okay, selected is not supported by the app or by the Huawei Band 7. So how to address that or how to fix that? All you need to do is just reinstall your wearable, okay, and select, okay, the region that supports the some of the features available for your Huawei Band 7, such as the dial section or the watch face section. So let's try, okay, and reinstall the support app. Okay, but first you need to disconnect, okay, your wearable. Okay, tap on here and pair your device and pair in your wearable. Okay, go to the settings and go here on the system update. Just reset the wearable. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, and now uninstall the app. Okay, so we have uninstalled the app and we will try to install the APK, okay, file. We're going to sideload the app, okay, that we have downloaded from the Huawei app gallery. Okay, okay, we have here the Huawei APK file. Just tap on it. So let's install the support app. Okay, it's now installing the app. So we have already downloaded the app before, so it's now easy to just install it. Okay, so now it is installing. Again, we're going to select a region that the band is supporting. Okay, so I think we have India, US, okay, countries in Asia. So it is supported by the Huawei Band 7. Okay, so let's check. So in my case, I'm going to use the Philippines or India here. Okay, I think United States is also supported, as well as some countries in Europe. So if your country is not supported, just choose a country or a region that the Huawei band is supported. Okay, so let's see. Scanning and open. So it is automatically, we are automatically signed up because we have signed up our phone, okay, with the Huawei Band or Huawei Health app before. So this time it will be just a smooth installation of the wearable. Okay, so here it says Huawei Health, okay, provides products and cloud services based on the country or region you have selected. So please select your actual country or region of residence to ensure that your personal information is protected. Okay, so we have here the United States. Let's see if it's supported. Okay, just tap on X. Okay, so here just tap on next, agree. If not, we will uninstall again the app. Okay, so we will have a clean install. And as you can see here, fitness data cannot be uploaded to the cloud in your current location. So meaning it is not supported. Okay. So I thought that the United States is supported, but seems like it's not. Okay. But anyway, we'll see. Okay. Let's try. Okay. Just allow it. Okay. If it's not available, then we will not see any watch face or dial page or dial face section. Later, cancel. Okay, so let's see. Just later on we will enable the notifications. Let's go first with the watch face section. Okay, uh, let's see, connected, and so it is not available here. Okay, so let's change our region here. Okay, I tried to change the region in the smartphone. Okay, but seems like there's some conflict. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. So the best way is to uninstall the app and reinstall it again. Okay, we have uninstalled the app again, and we will reinstall, okay, the Huawei Health app. Okay, so let's check. So the United States, as you can see, did not work. Okay, so let's see. Let's try the United Kingdom. Let's see if it's supported. Okay, so let's check. So it is now installing the support app. So, and of course, we also, okay, reset the smartwatch here. Okay, again, let's reset it again. Okay, so now we are done. Open the app. Okay, let's see if we will have a successful installation with the watch face section. Okay, English UK. So here, so United States is the default option. Let's check, or let's pick the United Kingdom here. Okay, hopefully we will have a successful installation here. Okay, United Kingdom. Okay, next. Let's see. Next, agree. Okay, Again, this tutorial is for those who are having some problems and asking why the watch face is not available in their device. So this tutorial is also applicable to other Huawei devices, okay, Huawei wearables. Okay, so here on the bottom part on our devices, okay, just tap on add. Okay, grant the health app the location permission to discover and add devices. Okay, let's try to cancel this. Okay, will it add? Okay, let's scan. Let's try the QR code here. Okay, so just allow it. Okay, let's try pairing. Please confirm pairing on wearable. Okay, so continue. Install updates manually. Okay, we'll deal with this later on. Okay, let's check first if we have a new update. Okay, if we have a watch face or dial settings for the Huawei. Okay, so don't want notifications right now. Okay, okay, so I'll just allow it. Okay, so as you can see here, we have successfully loaded the watch faces. Okay, so that's it. So if you have some issues with a watch face section for your wearable, okay, for your Huawei wearable, just change the region. Okay, we have some free here. Okay, and we have top, paid, art, dials. So we have a lot of options for watch faces. So as you can see, we have fixed the issue for the missing watch face section for our Huawei Band 7. Okay, so another issue that we have is, okay, the music control. Okay, you can see here we have where's the music control here? Okay, let me check here. So this one. Okay, so here it says open Huawei Health and enable control phone music. Okay, so let's check. I think it is available here in the settings part. Okay, so we have here the device settings. You see the music playback control, just turn it on. Okay, so it is asking for notification access. Just let the Huawei run in the background here. Allow notification access for health. Okay, just allow it and sit. Okay, so if we want to play a music here, okay, let me see. I'm going to open this one. Okay, so where's the music here? My music. Okay, it's still loading. I'm just going to pick recent. I'm just trying to avoid going to pick a non-copyright music here. Okay, so we have the music here. Okay, going to show it to you. Okay, so let's play it. Okay, I have downloaded this music or this sound from bensound.com. So Let's say I pause it for a moment, and I'm going to use my music control here to play I'm going to use the music control of the Huawei Band to play the music. As you can see here, it's already loaded as long as your Bluetooth is activated, and of course you adjust it or you set it in the device settings app of the Huawei Health app. Okay, so when I play this one, okay, I can also adjust the volume here, pause, and play. Okay, adjust the volume here. Okay, then you can also proceed, I think, to the next, go to the next music on your list here. Okay, as you can see here, we have the Somewhere Over the Rainbow. I just remove the sound here or the volume to avoid any copyright notice. Okay, see, okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is to use your Huawei Band 7 to control the music on your smartphone. Okay, again, just go to the device settings here and turn on the music playback control. Okay, so it will notify you if you need to enable the notifications or not. Okay, just enable it to be able to play the music. Okay, and now we already also have the watch face section here. Okay, I hope it helps. Okay, the tutorial help you in setting up the watch face section as well as the music control. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.